How to block all adult websites on Google Chrome in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So to block the adult websites on Google Chrome, all you have to do is launch the Google Chrome. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the three dotted lines over here at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on Settings. Now scroll down and you can find the option of privacy and security, so just tap on that. After doing that, just scroll down a bit again and you can see the option of use secure DNS. Tap on it, then tap on choose another provider, then tap on customize, and here you can see different DNS from OpenDNS to Google to Cloudflare, clean browsing. So here I'm going to select on the clean browsing one, and after that you can just go and check it. You have successfully blocked all the adult websites on Google Chrome in Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time. So to block the